Hello, welcome students. In this topic, we will learn about corner joints on 10 mm thick mild steel plate in overhead position by Gas Metal Arc Welding.
Objectives. At the end of this module, you will learn to prepare MS plates as per drawing. Set the corner joint in overhead position. Set and tack weld the plates. Deposit the weld bead with uniform travel speed. Inspect for surface defects on the weld. Now let's look at the tools and equipments required for GMAW. Steel rule, ball peen hammer, half round file, tri-square, tongs, chipping hammer, steel wire brush, personal safety equipment, key and spanner, helmet type screen, angle grinder, gas regulator with flow meter, CO2 gas heater, shielding gas hoses, welding power source, wire feeders that ensure constant speed and voltage, supply of electrode wire, welding gun, shielding gas cylinder. Let us see about the pre-welding of corner joints on MS plate 10 mm thick plate in overhead position by GMAW. Cut the MS plates 150 mm by 50 mm by 10 mm as per drawing. Deburr and clean the MS plates by filing. Grind and file the edges of plate to square. Set the corner joint as per specification. Wear protective clothing. Set the torch in the right position. Set current between 90 and 100 ampere. Corresponding wire feeding rate 3 to 4 meter per minute. Set 19 to 20 arc voltage and use dip transfer mode. Use 0.8 mm dia copper coated mild steel filler CCMS wire. Tack weld on both ends of the corner joint on the table. Let us see the process of corner joints on MS plate 10 mm thick plate in overhead position by GMAW. Fix the tack welded job in the weld positioner to overhead position. It is important to ensure that the corner joint is held in the weld positioner firmly. Ensure that the torch assembly hose containing the spiral, filler wire, gas hose, etc. is long enough so that it can be carried over your shoulder while welding in overhead position. This will help in maintaining the constant distance between the torch and the joint to be welded. Using a welding helmet and wearing a welder overall is very essential to protect the whole body from the spatters in overhead welding position. Deposit the weld using uniform travel speed. Ensure proper leg length and even fusion of sheets, suitable welding gun and torch angle and arc travel speed. Use stringer bead welding technique and follow. Ensure good penetration and even fusion of plates with suitable torch angle and arc travel. Ensure the edge of the sheet is not melted off due to excessive weaving. Ensure there is no undercut at the other toe of the corner joint. Clean the bead with steel wire brush. Inspect the bead for any surface defects. Now let's discuss the caution and inspection corner joints on MS plate 10 mm thick plate in overhead position by GMAW. Check for uniform weld size and proper reinforcement. Clean the welded area. Inspect for welding defects. Let's see the defects now. Spatters. Blowholes. Excessive reinforcement. Concavity. Recap.
In this topic, we have learned to prepare MS plates as per drawing, set the corner joint in overhead position, set and tack weld the plates, deposit the weld bead with uniform travel speed, inspect the weldments for any surface defects. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye.